Hi fellow gardeners, welcome to the Best Garden channel on YouTube. Today we've got a very exciting episode planned where we're going to talk through the general philosophy of this channel, and for any of you who haven't been here, welcome. We hope that you enjoy your time and check out some of the more popular videos that we have. But I think it's important to just, at the beginning of this year and as we're kind of kicking off a new journey for the channel, to sit down with you and have a conversation. So yeah, here I am sitting in my garden. If you're wondering why I've got a table and chair set up here, I'll have a video on that coming up soon. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of give you the general philosophy of the channel. I know there are a lot of gardening channels out there that you see these perfect, immaculate gardens, and they give you tips on what to do, and you try to grow it yourself, and you get nothing near the results that they have. Your plants die, or they get diseases, or your yields are a lot less, and you just wonder why. And they might be fun to watch, but they aren't necessarily helpful for helping you garden. So I want this channel to be different from that. I think we're going to be very honest in what we show. As you can see now, I've got a lot of weeds still left over from last season. I have, some buckets that are breaking apart that I need cleaned up, stacks of wood in various places, hoses that I left out over winter. So this might be a little bit more like what you experience in your garden. And while I'll surely show some successes, I'll also show you the failures, and we'll talk through why that happens. And you know what? I will seek your advice, because a lot of times I don't necessarily know the reason that something fails, and some of you might. So I have no pride there. Happy to let you guide me as much as I'm guiding you, or even more so. Honestly, within my family, I am not the strongest gardener. My mother has an immaculate garden. She can get anything to grow, it seems, and with large yields all the time. So I think we often laugh at just kind of how she must have some sort of a magic soil over there or something. But we'll try to be a little bit more realistic on this channel. So if you are new to the channel, we are running a seed giveaway right now, and every year since we've been around, and now this is our 9-year anniversary, so we've given away free seeds each of those 9 years, and we hope that you'll check out that video and send us an envelope to get seeds. We will grow those seeds ourselves in the garden here. When I say ourselves, some people may wonder, obviously I am a person and I'm talking in the plural. One of the big things I want to do on this channel is to foster that sense of community. And so I'm speaking in the plural because I want us to think of ourselves as a group with this channel. All of you have your gardens, and I used to have a tagline I would often say of the best garden is your garden, and I really feel that is the case. It does not matter if you're looking at someone's garden in a different place than you are and you're thinking, oh, this is wonderful. Really, the garden that you use to feed your family is going to be the best garden. And so that's more the philosophy that I have. And with that, I want you to really feel like this is a community. That's part of why I've always done the seed giveaway. But it's also means that, never hesitate to ask a question. You can put it in the comments. If you're watching and you're like, oh, I really wish he had covered this thing, just let me know that, and we may be able to do a video on that. If there's some sort of a seed that you'd like us to give away in our giveaway, or if there's something that you would like us to grow on our channel so you can learn from us, or let us experience it dying before you have to, or just something that you think would be cool. One of the things we've been pretty successful with on the channel is some interesting projects that we've done. I think still our most viewed video is the $1 raised bed that I made out of like a Dollar Tree mulch cloth and some sticks. And you know, so any interesting things that you would like to see us try, we're definitely game for it. So don't hesitate to comment at any point. And here's another thing. I would love to see your garden. So feel free to send me a picture of it. We've got email gardening@bestgardenchannel.com. You can just send us an email. Even better yet, if you want to feature your garden on this channel, reach out to me. I'd be happy to work with you in putting up a video where you kind of show off your garden too, because I don't know about you, but one of the things I most enjoy on YouTube channels is kind of seeing the garden tours and seeing what different people are doing. And so I'm happy to use you know, your garden in that too, and let you show it off. If you have a budding gardening channel, like you're trying to do your own YouTube channel, I'll be happy to work with you on all that as well. So really do want it to be a sense of community here. Thank you for joining us. Do check out that seed giveaway. At the moment, we also still have 2 garden beds that we're giving away. So check out that video as well. And a reminder that every Friday, we're going to be doing a product review. Oh, by the way, product review. There's some product you want us to review, let us know that as well. But every Friday, we're doing a product review, and we are currently giving away every Friday as well for all of that. And so that means every single Friday you can try to win something in a giveaway. So please don't hesitate to you know, set a reminder to check out on Friday, or on the weekend, check out the video that was posted on Friday, and go ahead and enter every time to see if you ever win. Thank you for tuning in. Do subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. And as I said, feel free to comment below. Obviously, if you did enjoy this video or the philosophy of the channel, we'd appreciate a like. And I've been talking about this hype button. I know it's pretty new on YouTube. It might not actually help much, but if you can hit that hype button in the first 7 days, that'd be great as well. So I do thank you for joining us today, and I look forward to growing with you.